Dr. Colber Mukwevho began his music career at the age of 10 in 1975 with The Thrilling Artists as a backing singer, later becoming the bass player and a lead singer. He has released over 20 albums, primarily in Tshivenḓa, with some in Xitsonga and English. Notable albums include Mukhada O Ntshuma, Hani-Hani, and a reggae album titled Nga Dzuli. In 1983, he left the Thrilling Artist to form the Comforters, leading the group and recording with Radio Venda. In the late 1980s, he collaborated with artists such as Sello, Chicco, Twala, and Brenda Fassie, and worked with Jamaican producers Robbie, Shakespeare, and Dunbar, winning a Best Reggae Album award at the South African Music Awards. Tonight, we honor Dr. Colber Mukwevho with a Lifetime Achievement Award.